I've been given a list of names to clean up in Excel, and this is just a small sample of a long list, and these are all fake names, but we'll see how you can remove text either before or after a specific character or string of characters. In this column, we want to get rid of anything that's after a colon. So here's the name of a law firm, a colon, and then the name of an individual there. So we want to remove the colon and anything after that. And there's another example here. There are also a few that have a hyphen. Again, we want to remove the hyphen and anything after it. We also want to remove the space before the hyphen. And the third thing we want to do is find any that have the word of, remove that word, the space after it, and anything before that. So we have law office of, law offices of, and the law office of. We also have someone with OF in their name. We want to make sure that doesn't get affected. Before I make any changes, I'm going to make a copy of this data. I don't want to work on the original. I want to keep that safe in case I have to go back to it. So either make a copy of the whole workbook or at least make a copy of the names you're going to work on. So I'll select these two columns and copy them. Then I'll go to Sheet 2, click here and paste. So now I have a copy that I can work on without any concerns about the original data. The first thing I'm going to do is try and find the colon and delete anything after that. So I'll select the column where I want the changes, and I'm going to use the Find and Replace window, and the quickest way to get to that is Control H. And here's the Find and Replace window. So I'm going to be looking for a colon, so I'll type that. Then I want anything after that, and the way we represent anything is with a wildcard, which is Shift 8. So the asterisk represents any characters or no characters. So if it ended with a colon, it would also find that. So here we're going to find colon John Wilson. It should also find colon Alice Smith. We want to replace that with nothing, so I'm going to leave this blank. I will click Replace All, and it should replace the two items that I can see here. So it's telling me it made two replacements, so that looks correct. The next thing we're going to change is a hyphen and anything after that. So in this case, we want to include the space before the hyphen, then the hyphen, and anything that follows. So I'm going to delete what's in the Find box. I'll type a space character, hyphen, and then the wildcard again, Shift 8. I want to replace that with nothing, so I can see two records here that have hyphens. Click Replace All, and it made two replacements. The final thing I'm looking for is the word of. So I wanted to find the word of, which is on its own, not as part of another word. So I'll again clear out this Find What. This time I want it to replace whatever is before that. So I'll start with the wildcard, Shift 8, then space, OF, space. Replace that with nothing, so it should find 1, 2, 3, and ignore this one. Click Replace All. It made 3 replacements, and it left the name that has OF untouched. So you can use Find and Replace with wildcards to either remove text before or after a specific character or string of characters. For more Excel tips and tutorials, please visit my Contextures website at www.contextures.com.